Hello friends, myself Kamal Yadav. So today we are having the second webinar on BG17 and the feature that we are going to cover today is the packaging unit. So this is the snapshot of this feature. So it's the part of the inventory section. You will be able to put the conversion factor in the item master on the basis of the packaging unit, and you will be able to do transactions also in the packaging unit apart from the main unit, and reporting part is also quite interesting that I will be showing you in today's webinar. So we'll switch to the busy now and see the implementation. So you can see this new feature, the packaging unit. The packaging unit is actually how you are packing your goods. It's different from the alternate unit. You have to understand that. Uh, you can take an example, the oil industry, the bike oil, the motor oil. It comes in pieces, in numbers, and the quantity is also measured in liters, but the actual packing is done in the form of the box. So three types of units are involved in that, and packaging unit is the final packing, box, cartons. So you can use this feature along with the alternate unit whenever there is a requirement of the three unit, or you can use it independently also with the main unit and packaging unit. You can use these two feature also. Suppose there is a requirement of two units, pieces and the box, then you should not use alternate unit in that, because in this scenario the packing is come into the picture. So we have to use the packaging unit instead of the alternate unit in this case. So we have enabled that from the feature and option inventory. Now we will come to the item master. We will create a sample item. Let's say the main unit is pieces. Now here we have been asked what is the packaging unit. Here we can define my packaging unit is box, and you can say here that there are 20 pieces, or let's say make it simple, 10 pieces in one box. The other thing is that you can also define the sale price and the purchase price on the basis of your packaging unit. Let's say the sale price of pieces is 10, and per box it contains 10 pieces, so the price 90. And you can define your the default unit for sales and default unit for purchase also. It will pick automatically. If you want, you can tag it here, so at the time of doing the sale and purchase you don't have to pick the unit manually. Automatically it will be picked from here, but you will be able to change in that screen. Suppose your purchase is also always in the box, so here you can define that my packaging unit will be my unit for the purchase, and in sales you are not sure, sometime it is pieces, sometime it is a box, so you can keep it open. So this is the configuration in the item master. Now we are doing one purchase. Let's say 10 box. Automatically box is chosen here. I will show you again. We have taken here default unit for purchase as the packaging unit, and the packaging unit is box. That's why in the purchase voucher box is chosen automatically. If you define the price here also, so the price will also be picked automatically. So this is the purchase we have done. If you see the reports here, you can see that 100 pieces are there, and you want to see the packaging unit. Then packaging unit, 10 full boxes can be created out of 100 pieces. Full boxes, nothing will be left in the form of the pieces. So this is the current stock status. Now I will be doing the sale. This is interesting. We have to watch it carefully. Item A. So what I can do, let's say 5 pieces I'm selling. 5 pieces means half box is sold. Now we will see the report here again without packaging unit. Okay, 95 pieces, 100 minus 5, 95 is the final calculation. I want to see with the packaging unit. Now see, item A and 95 are the pieces, but the stock in the packaging unit, if you are going to convert 95 pieces into the box, the conversion is 10. 9 box can only be created out of this. 5 pieces will remain without packing. So this is the importance of this feature. That's why it's different from the alternate unit. If you use the alternate unit feature, it will show you here 9.5 boxes, but there cannot be 9.5 boxes. If you have to pack this item, it should be fully packed. So 9 box can be fully packed out of the 95 item based on the conversion of the 10, and 5 piece will be idle without packing. No full box can be created out of this. Okay, again, if you do the billing in box, see the price is also automatically picked here. So you can do billing in pieces also, you can do billing in box also. So this feature is quite interesting. So we have to be cautious where we are using this feature. If you have to use the pieces and kilogram, there is no packing in this, in the picture in this case, so you can use the alternate unit. But when the packaging is coming into the picture, in that case we have to use the packaging unit instead of the alternate unit. And you can use the 3 unit together, like the oil industry, you use the pieces. Oil, I means the, take an example of the Castrol and the Shell, just giving you an example. They sell into pieces, but there is a liter quantity also, and there is a big box also in which pieces are actually packed. So all these 3 units can be maintained in that case. In FMCG also you can maintain these 3 units, and this is the packaging unit. You can view the report in the stock status here by saying show packaging unit. So friends, this was the feature that I have just described you, explained you. Is the very powerful feature based on the feedbacks from the clients and the partners, the packaging units. It's available in BG17. So if you have any doubts, any more clarification is required, you can contact me directly on my email ID, that is kamal.yadav@busy.in. If you want to connect me over Skype, you can contact me on my Skype ID, that is kamal.yadav6. So we are going to end now this session, this webinar on packaging unit, and I'm sure this is quite useful for all of you. Thank you, everybody.